Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. First, begin by thoroughly researching the specific models and specifications that interest you. It's crucial to understand the current market value and pricing trends for these high-performance vehicles. Next, determine your budget, considering not just the purchase price, but also potential taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Explore various financing options to ensure a smooth and manageable acquisition process. Once your research is complete, the next step is finding your ideal GT3 RS. Focus on reputable Porsche dealerships or well-regarded private sellers known for their transparency. Always request and thoroughly review the vehicle's history report to check for accidents, service records, and ownership details. Before finalizing any deal, arrange for a professional pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic specializing in high-performance cars. This step is vital for peace of mind. With a suitable vehicle identified and inspected, it's time to negotiate. Be prepared to discuss the purchase price, warranty terms, and any additional services. Carefully review all sales contracts and documentation to ensure everything is accurate and understood before signing. Finally, complete the necessary paperwork for title transfer and registration, and arrange for payment. This careful approach helps ensure a secure and satisfactory transaction for your new Porsche. Congratulations on your new Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Your first steps after purchase should include arranging comprehensive insurance coverage and completing the vehicle registration process promptly. It's also wise to schedule initial maintenance and service with a certified Porsche technician to ensure your car performs optimally from day one. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy the thrill of driving your incredible new car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.